In this video, I'll show you how to turn your iOS tables from this into this with the use of spacing. Hey, it's Mike from BumbleParrot. So you started prototyping your app and came across the need to use a table view. You feverishly start wiring it up, hit run, anticipating greatness. What you end up with is a little bit underwhelming and boring. You think to yourself, what can I do to make this table a little bit more exciting? Sharks? Lasers? Sharks with lasers? The answer is simpler than that. Spacing. Here's how to spice up your tables with the use of spacing and transparency. The strategy is to give your users the illusion of spacing. You can do this by creating table cells that are transparent and then nesting their content inside of a smaller container view. This strategy also gives you control of the content area in a way that enables some interesting benefits. I'll highlight some of those benefits at the end of the video with the demo. All right, let's get to work. First thing we're gonna do is create a new UITableViewCell class. In this example, you're also gonna check the box to create the interface builder file. I like to give these tutorials using interface builder because it's easy to visualize what's happening. You can, of course, do the same exact thing entirely in code. In your UITableViewCell, you're going to create a container view that is a child of the default content view. The trick is to make the container view smaller than the cell's default content view. This is how we give the illusion of spacing between the cells. Next, you'll set the sizing of the content view using constraints that give you the amount of spacing you want between the cells. This also has the added benefit of controlling the height and the width of the cell when it appears in the table. Now we have some coding to do. In your cell's awake from NIB function, you'll set the cell and the default content view's background colors to be clear. Then you're gonna give the container view a background and a border because this is the cell that the user will see. That's all you really need for the basic setup. At this point, you can start adding your app's content to the cell. After that, you can add the cell to your tables using the standard boilerplate code. All right, it's time for the best part of the video, the demo. We started out with a table that just wasn't interesting to look at or fun to interact with. After implementing our container view strategy, this is how our new and improved table looks. Awesome! You made it to the end of the video. Your old table views will thank you for it. As a bonus to using this strategy, you now gain the ability to have table rows that vary in height and number of cells. If you have any questions on what you saw today or have any other iOS topics you want me to explore, let me know down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more iOS content. This was Mike from BumbleParrot. Now get back to work. And likely everyone's favorite part of the video, it's Kingsley.